All right, so Nvidia held a conference call with Wall Street analysts and revealed critical insights that I think Nvidia stock investors need to know about. Whether you're thinking about buying Nvidia stock or whether you already own Nvidia stock and you're thinking about taking profits and selling, I think these are things that you should know about before making that decision. So let me share with you these important details. Right. So first of all, Nvidia is making moves to diversify its supply chain away from outside of America. They've made substantial long-term commitments, a deep investment in America's AI manufacturing future, and their goal is to go from chip to supercomputer built in America within a year. And besides these investments, they've made others to help their suppliers like Taiwan Semiconductor and others to build manufacturing facilities inside the United States. One of the reasons why those companies haven't built manufacturing facilities in the United States is because the higher cost of production inside the United States. Another reason is because the supply chain is already concentrated in whatever regions they're operating inside. And so to move to another region would require moving also their partners and their suppliers. It's a big, difficult task, and their suppliers were hesitant to do so without longer term commitments and potentially price increases embedded in those longer term commitments. And it looks like Nvidia and Apple and others are providing suppliers like Taiwan Semiconductor with those longer term commitments, telling them, look, if you bring production to the US, we'll buy this much of your product that's produced here for this many years. Okay. And we'll also agree to pay you a 10% higher price or whatever higher price for producing here in the US because it diversifies our supply chain, it diversifies your supply chain. So we'll share some of the higher cost of production to be located inside the United States if you'll also share some of that cost. And so the industry supply chain is diversifying, bringing more into the United States. And of course, it's going to be a higher cost of goods sold. But I think companies like Nvidia and Taiwan Semiconductor, they can afford that, especially Nvidia.
Click the link below to watch the full video.